Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. In this short video, I'll show you how to create an email account in Cpanel. So without further ado, let's start the video. Alright, you can see you're on my computer screen right now. So just open the Cpanel of your web hosting and just go to email accounts. This is where you can create and manage all the emails for your website. And click on this create button over here and enter the name. Let's say, for example, I'll create an email admin@tipswithalam.com. Okay, and then set up a password. Make sure you set up a strong password for your email. And once this is done, click on this edit settings. This is optional, and change the storage space to unlimited because you don't want any email to be missed. And then just click on create email, and if you want a welcome email with instruction to set up with a different email client, you can do that by clicking here. I will just uncheck this and create. And once this is created, now we have this email, so all the emails that anybody's gonna send on admin@tipswithalam.com will reach me on my web email. So I'll show you the web email. This is how it looks. You have inbox, drafts, and send items, junk, everything. Thank you so much. Bye bye.